Hello Automation Anywhere lovers, welcome back to KT Sessions. In today's video, we're exploring another exciting automation technique. Get ready to learn how to automate your tasks like a pro. Let's get started.
In one of our previous videos, we saw how can we use CSV file as database. In that video, we read the data from the CSV file, and today we are going to write the data to the Excel CSV file. So this is the CSV file which we are going to use. It contains data of 21 employees, and we will add data of one more employee, and we are going to use the same task board. And I will disable this read action and this loop stage. And for inserting the data, we are going to use insert action of database, which is this one. And here we need to give the SQL statement for inserting the data. So this is the SQL statement which we are going to use, insert into, and the name of the CSV file, employee details.csv, and values. So here we can give the values. So I will give the values which I want to insert. First of all, we need to give the name, and I'm giving name as A360. Then we need to insert that department. Let me give RPA, and then the year of experience. And we need to give all these details in the single quotes if this is a string, and if this is a number, then we can give without single quotes. So experience, I will give 4. You can check this query or the SQL statement. Insert into employee details.csv, which is the name of our CSV file. And no need to add $sign here. Just you need to give the extension. And the values A360, RPA, and 4. Okay, so let me save this. So after inserting the data, we will disconnect from the session. Okay, let me run the board. Alright, let me open the location of the file. It is available here in A360 folder. Okay, it is inserting the data. You can see the timestamp. So this is how we can insert the data into an CSV file with the help of OLEGB. Let me show you the updated file. You can see timestamp as updated. And here we go. We can see this A360, RPA, and 4 in the last record. So this is how we can use this statement. Similarly, you can use update statement or alter statement. Do let me know if you have any doubt or any question. Thank you guys for watching this video.